Example 4. What's the first thing that we have to do? LCD. Now, that one's fine. That one's fine. But this looks like I need to factor it. How do I know that? Because what does it look like, you guys? Difference of squares. So that means it's going to be 7 z plus 1 times z minus 1. Oh, what is our LCD? Z plus 1, z minus 1. So there's our z plus 1, there's our z minus 1, and it just happens that this has both of them. So now I'm going to multiply everything by z plus 1 times z minus 1. You guys, there are a lot of difference of squares, not a lot, but there are several difference of squares on your quiz that you took yesterday and that you are going to finish today. Okay, what can I cross out on this one? The z plus 1, and I'm left with 2 times z minus 1. Minus, what cancels out here? Z minus 1, and I'm left with z plus 1. Now make sure you put that in parentheses. You guys, it's really important, especially because there's a minus sign here. Equals, what can I cancel out on this one? All of it, right? And what am I left with? Yeah. Let's combine like terms. Or let's do our multiplication. So this becomes 2z minus 2. Now see this negative sign, you guys, this minus sign? It's going to be distributed onto both of these. So it becomes minus z minus 1 equals negative 2. So 2z minus z is z. Negative 2 minus 2 minus 1. Oh my gosh. Negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. And then what do I get? I'm going to add 3 to both sides. And z equals 1. Let's test it. Okay? 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Oh, that's nice. 1 minus 1 is? Error. Right, it's undefined. So this makes this undefined. Let's put 1 over here. 1 squared is 1. 1 minus 1 is? Error. Yeah, so these are undefined. So even though z looks like it's, z equals 1 looks like its solution, it made 2 of them undefined. So this is no solution. That is why it's important that you take your answer and go back and check it. Because you know what they're going to do on a quiz or a test or even on the SAT. They're going to give you one, no solution, and a whole bunch of different ones. But they're going to give you this one in hopes that you'll pick it as a distractor. You guys, the SAT does that, the ACT does that, and Miss Flurry does that. So there we go. Okay?